man drank demons, trading his spirit in enjoyment and pleasure of fighting sin, unaware to diabolic foreign spirit in blame, crushing his shoulders to push his wings hidden underneath his bones. A morphing ceremony inevitable when in your belly angels drown and demons crown, to fracture your spine, bending your waist anyhow, enabling his neck to stretch, his skin to transform, his eyes rotate a sword galvanized with flame. The alphabet is spit as words in a conversation of stars or volatile grenades. His heart no longer pounds but vibrates. He can blink once in a year and consume fire. He's the beast unnamed, broke free from a cage. He's a weapon, his salvation is delayed. Goosebumps as a covering outer membrane. His eyes licking blood as a sacrifice to earn a name. Savage. He dwells in hell with thoughts locked in a cell, tortured to sell his soul. Name your price. Fame is our last offer, take it or leave it. There is always a consequence of being alive. You're always a target to the dead in flesh, but alive in spirit. They need a home, and his body could make a nice retirement apartment. They come wearing clothes of angels, shin but kin to the mission of residing in your fragile bones, building his fantasies while disintegrating his reality, rearranging his intellectual molecules, excavating his lone soul, bashing the divine congruence of his mind, spirit, and soul. He feels the bizarre in his blood, he cries. He's now a man, a woman, a god, a goddess. He can courtship with himself, make love a self-sexual intercourse in different angles, Kama Sutra literate, a body with more than 1,000 genitals, a man with a labia, a mantra to conceive the apocalypse. He is the darkness in the light. The flows in the sun's inner core as it slightly cracks, a bright cloud pregnant with lightning strikes, folding his exuberant thoughts and fondness towards taking a breath like a scroll, chronicling his chronicles. The darkness he drank tasted like milk. He felt reborn, barehandedly came in contact with death, painted in a portrait, found in hell's synagogue. In his tongue, the aftertaste of milk still smells. Impossibilities he does, he's the fastest snail. A ritual to belong in the dead must be done. Nailed on hands, drilled palms on crucifix as is crucified. He's now past in the present. He thirsts for blood to quench his dryness. He has his life in his hands. He gets to decide when he will die. He has his wings now. He flies with birds of the deep blue sky high, all with one unpleasant sip from the cup. Father, if thou be willing, remove this cup from me. Nevertheless, not my will, but thine be done. Let me